Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials, your level and inventory. You need level 30 or higher and at least 8 Samarine shards plus the ancient saddle map. Pick that map from the vendor. Once you have materials, head straight to the Eastern Marsh and find Rel, talk to him to trigger the smelting quest. Make sure to clear a small area for crafting, this saves time. From here, move deliberately, do not grind unrelated mobs. Focus on shard collection and the map objective to stay efficient. You stand at the forge with refined iron, coal, and your 8 Samarine shards. Start the 3-step smelt minigame. First, raise the temperature to the green window. Hold it steady for 3 seconds, then pour the molten alloy while avoiding red spikes. Finally, cool at a steady rate to prevent cracks. Why this matters? Timing controls saddle integrity and unlock bonuses. If you have a quality catalyst, insert it before smelting to boost success chance. Otherwise, be prepared to repeat the process after failures. Once the alloy cools and you have a stable saddle core, attach it to the raw frame at a workbench to finalize the Samarine saddle. Equip it on your mount and run a short test to ensure fit and bonuses activate. If durability reads below 90%, visit the Tinker NPC to adjust straps and calibrate bonuses. If the saddle fails or breaks, use a repair kit immediately or redo the smelt with one quality catalyst. This single change usually resolves repeated failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.